After completing the inspection task, I can create a report right from the camera, whether it is from the totality of the assets or from a portion of them. On this inspection task, I only have 2 inspection points completed out of 1587. You will see it here. And I will only create a report from that specific one. Tap on report. I will choose one template, which can be this one, name the file, save it, and the camera will create that report for me. I can go and view it. And in the same NaviPdM interface, on the report section, you will be able to find that report. Now, the report is created based on the template that you have chosen or that you have designed, so that the specific pieces of information that you have selected will show there. Information like the specific location, who created, who did the inspection, the thermographer, who is the customer, the equipment that was used. A summary of the findings. For this report, I only exported one inspection point, which was normal, and the specific pictures were taken. This is our light here at the studio, containing the information of the asset, the panel ID, asset, the temperature information, the defect category, etc. and etc. And again, the outline, the amount of information that you will see here is completely dependent on the interface. I will show you one more example. This one right here, I will create a report using a different template. Let's go to view it now. It has completed the generation. Now when I open it, this is a different template with a different outline. Here the information of the client is on the first page. There's a different image, the definition of my standard. And here in the summary table, I have that specific asset that was normal. The pictures are in a different position of the page, and it's a much more simpler report. You can see here, for instance, some of my notes over greasing, part of the recommendations, but it can be something else. So again, you are free to play with your reports and your templates, and you are free to create reports right from the camera. The same that I'm doing here, you can do it on the computer. This is just a more convenient way of doing it.